Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna Tiwari and welcome to Entri app. Okay guys, so today as you see today we will discuss all about daily current affairs. Okay. So guys, let's join. So here is the first news of today's current affair. News is recently YSR Shayu Yojana was launched in Andhra Pradesh. So you can see that Andhra Pradesh has recently launched a yojana, or you can call it scheme. Recently launched scheme name is YSR Shayut. What is the name of particular scheme? Name is YSR Shayut, which is launched by Andhra Pradesh government. Okay, so let's see about all things about this news. So here is the main objective of the scheme is to empower women of minority caste. Okay, so main objective of this scheme is empower to women. Okay, which is very important for you. Please write down these things. Okay, objective. So objective of this scheme is empower women. Okay, empower women especially in minority caste, where in which in the Andhra Pradesh state, where is a minority caste of women. Okay, it's you can say ST, SC, OBC or whatever. Okay, so minority caste of women in minority caste of women. So this scheme has the objective of this scheme is empower women. Okay, for minority caste, the scheme will provide a financial. So what will do scheme in these things? Okay, the scheme will provide the financial benefit, means financial support to these women. Okay, support for what? So support of to rupees 75,000 to women who fall in the age group of 45 to 60. So any woman who is who his sorry, every woman, her age group is, which her age group is 42 to 45 to 40, sorry, 45 to 60. So that woman will become the beneficiary of this YSR Shruti scheme. Okay, so if any woman's age is between 45 to 60, so that woman will became the beneficiary of this scheme. So every woman will get the 75,000 rupees. Okay, which will going to be 45 to 60 years age. Okay, an amount of rupees 75,000 is to be disturbed in for equal installment of rupees 18,750 each year. That means, that doesn't mean that these all 75,000 any woman will take these of 75,000 in a one in once. Okay, in her lifetime once. Okay, no, there is only make the EMI made the EMI by Andhra Pradesh government. Okay, there is the EMI of 18,750 rupees, which woman will gain every year. Okay, this amount is transferred in the bank account of the beneficiary. Okay, if any woman whose age is between 45 to 60 year, so that will become the she will become the beneficiary of this scheme, and she will gain a direct amount of 18,750 in their bank account. Okay, next one is, this will benefit more than 8.21 lakh women from SC, ST, OBC and minority community. So who will take the who will become the beneficiary of? So here is the almost 8.21 lakh women who will become the beneficiaries of this scheme. Okay, who is below? They are belong from SC, ST and OBC. That means from minority communities. Okay, next one is, with the expansion of the YSR Chauhite scheme, the cabinet has also approved the formation of state sand corporation. Also, the formation of app for of Arunachal Pradesh Ralai Sima Drought Mitigation Project Development Corporation has been approved. Okay, so here you can see the with the expansion of YSR Chauhite scheme, Means with the expansion of this scheme, the cabinet has also approved for what? So cabinet has also approved the formation of states and cooperation, also formation of Arunachal Pradesh Ralai Seema Drought Mitigation Project Development Corporation has approved, okay, which is approved by Andhra Pradesh government. The last one is there are about 40 feeds analysis labs to be set up in a state. Okay, so there are about 40 feeds analysis lab. Okay, these labs are situated in a state. Okay, so as we had discussed all these things about this news. Okay, so let's see who is the CM, who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So Jagan Mohan Reddy. Guys, please remember Jagan Mohan. Jagan Mohan Reddy is the CM of Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, please remember this thing. Next one is next news is the Swachh Bharat Kranti was officially launched by the Union Minister of Water, Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and the Union Minister of Textile and Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani. Okay, so you can see that Smriti Irani and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat officially launched Swachh Bharat Kranti. Okay, so let's have a look. What is the importance of Swachh Bharat Kranti? What is the key point of this Swachh Bharat Kranti? Okay, so you can see here is the translation of the book Clean India Revolution is Clean India Revolution. Basically, they have launched a book. Okay, which name is basically they have launched a book which name is Clean India Revolution. Okay, so the Swachh Bharat Kranti, okay. So the Swachh Bharat Kranti expressed the journey of the Swachh Bharat mission through 35 essays by the diverse range of SBM stakeholders and contributors. Okay. So the essays in the book Swachh Bharat Kranti are organized into four major sections, which from these are the four major sections which is so organized by Swachh Bharat Kranti. So here is the these are the four pillars which is organized by Swachh Bharat Kranti. So first is a political leadership. Second one is a public financing. Third word is a participation, and fourth one is a pupil participation. So basically these are the pillars. These are the four main pillars for which is organized by Swachh Bharat Kranti or Swachh Bharat Mission. You can call it mission and as well as Kranti, whatever you want to call, whatever asked by exam. So you can use that particular word, either mission or Kranti. Okay, guys. Next one is the completion of essay in this book has been written by Arun Jaitley, Amitabh Kant, Ratan Tata, Sadhguru, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, Tavleen Singh, and Bill Gates, etc. These all people has written something, has written essay in this book, has been written an essay in this book. Clear? Okay. So you will have to remember all some things which is Swachh Bharat Kranti launched by whom? So launched by Union Minister of Water, Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, or Child Development Minister Smriti Irani. So next news is Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju presided over the first General Council meeting of the Khelo India scheme on 4th July. Okay. So you can see, guys, under this scheme, we are talk about Khelo India scheme. Okay, which is which is preceded by sports minister who is Kiran Rijiju. So let's have a look of about all these things in this news. Okay, under the scheme, annual competition like Khelo India Youth Games and University Games being organized by the national level. This has helped in recognize the sports talent in all states. Okay, so basically, what is the objective of this Khelo India Youth Games? So there is the objective of this game is that national held youth games and university game are organized on the national level. Okay, so this is helped. Actually, this has helped in recognize the sports talent all states. Actually, from all states government can recognize or preceded which is preceded by sports minister, so he can recognize the sports talent in from all state. Okay, so the state that already conduct an annual sport competition are directed to align with the Khelo India scheme. Okay, so in this scheme, every state from every actually in this scheme there is conducted by the sports competitor annually. Okay, in that states level competitor has participated in this game. Okay, the next one is the Indian government has also confirmed their support to conducting these events. Okay, so already Indian government also confirmed. Okay, so already Indian government has also confirmed that they will give a fully support to conduct these events. Okay, next one is it was decided to identify talented and children between the ages of 5 to 10 and make them a future champion, as it takes at least 8 years to prepare an athlete for the Olympic. Okay, so here is the decided by government that government will pick the 5 to 10 years children for a championship and prepare them that for for Olympic games, for upcoming Olympic games, because you all know that every athlete take a minimum 8 year to prepare for any Olympic games. Okay, guys. The next one is the sports ministry announced its plan for 5 regional talent scouting committees for East, West, North, South, and Northeast India. Okay, so here is the sports ministry announced that it is plan. Actually, they are planning for take the scouting talents committee for East, West, North, South, and Northeast India. Okay, I hope you each and everything clear about this news. So next one is on August 6, 2020, the Reserve Bank of India launched an innovation hub to harness and incubate new capabilities to deepen financial inclusion. Okay, guys. So about innovation, actually recently Reserve Bank of India launched the Innovation Hub. Okay, recently Reserve Bank of India launched an Innovation Hub to harness the influent new capability to deepen financial inclusion. For financial inclusion, they will take a deepen capabilities. So let's have a look about Innovation Hub. That what is the Innovation Hub? So here is the hub is being launched to promote startups to the country. If anyone want to start their business, so the Innovation Hub will definitely help them. Okay, this will help in solution and incubation of new capabilities. Also, it will to turn help to deepen financial inclusion in the country and promote efficient banking services. Okay, so these innovation hub will support in banking services and financial inclusion. Okay, next one is will provide the following benefit. Hub will help in achieve efficient banking, continuations of business in times of emergency, strengthen consumer protection. So in all these things, Innovation Hub will definitely help in all these things. The last one is the RBI has recently taken several similar initiatives to encourage responsible innovation. One such a recent initiative is the regulatory sandbox. Okay. So here is the responsible innovation. One such recent is a type of initiative is the regulatory sandbox. Okay. I hope you will understand all these things. The next news is on August 6, 2020. Guys, this news is very, very important. Please note down each and everything in detail. Okay. So on August 6, 2020, the six-member Monetary Policy Committee, the Reserve Bank of India held the meeting in New Delhi. The committee was headed by RBI Governor Shaktikant Das. Okay. So repo rate means recently launched the monetary policy. Okay, monetary policy by monthly monetary policy by Reserve Bank of India. Okay, in New Delhi, MPC committee was held in New Delhi. Okay, so what is the key point of this MPC committee or this monetary policy committee? So let's have a look. Repo rate is the kept at 4% only. Means in this monetary policy committee, repo rate is kept in 4%. The reverse repo rate is kept at 3.5%. Please remember all these things, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Next one is the member have decided to provided an additional liquidity facility of rupees 10,000 crore to National Housing Bank and NABARD. Means RBI will provided the additional liquidity facility up to rupees 10,000 crore for NHB and for NABARD. The next one is to reduce the impact of COVID-19 households. Debt against gold has been raised of 90% of value against the current 75%. Means if you have a gold and you want to take a loan from the bank, so today is the limit of gold is if you have a gold, so you will take only 75% loan of that gold. Okay, this is the terms and condition of gold loan, but this terms and condition increased by 90%. Okay, 75% to by 90% for the gold loan. The next one is the lender will be allowed to restructures individual borrowers corporate loans and reduce the COVID-19 effect. So lenders will allow, actually lender will allow to restructure individual borrowers. Okay, if anyone the borrower of that particular bank, okay, if anyone have a corporate loans or borrower of that particular bank, so they will take a proper time to reduce their loan as well as their burden. Okay, the last one is stressed MSME borrowers are now eligible to restructure the loan if their account were classified as a standard account. Okay, standard account means if they are paying their EMI on time to time. Okay, if they are paying, if the MSME borrowers are paying their loans, their EMI on time, on standard time, so they can restructure their loan also. Okay, I hope you will understand. The last one is, so here is the question of the day, guys. So as you see, we was discuss all each and everything about current affairs. So please read all current affairs carefully. And here is the question of the day of the current affairs. So who is question of the day is, who is the current governor of RBI? So here is the option: Urjit Patel, Raghuram Ji Rajan, Shaktikant Das, Rajiv Kumar, and none of these. So guys, you will have to give the answer of this particular question. Okay, you can answer in comment box or you can answer, okay, in comment box in whatever you want. Okay, so please answer of this question which is compulsory for you all. Okay, so guys, we will finish this session is sorry, we are going to finish this session is here. Please give me your feedback, which is what is important for your we will please give your feedback about discussion about current affair, particular news, about question. Okay, whatever you want. So thank you so much for today's session. Okay, so we will conduct this session again tomorrow at the same time. Okay guys, so thank you so much for cooperate with me. Thank you very much. Please stay on with Entri app. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.